Hey guys, Sam here from Trade the Post, but to give you a review on gold. And Bitcoin's a bit boring except for yesterday, but let's look at gold. And there's a short term, and you can see there's a lot of scribble here, but let's just save this. But from a formation perspective, I do believe this is going to go more high. So we've got something like resistance there. And what it means is we'll probably consolidate here for whatever it is. Who knows how long. And then up is my opinion. If we drop below, we might drop, get some profit. So they might start taking profit as they do. So it's found resistance. We've got 2 days of taking profit. But we've got to look at the candlesticks on the daily before we make a decision. But we see from an RSI perspective on the daily, it's broken above the formation. That's what we're looking at. So that was a formation of some sort, and we've broken up. So we're looking for new highs with RSI, a bit more extended. We want to see that. So I do believe by the end of the year we'll probably retest this level, the previous high. So whatever it does, we'll find a rejection potentially. Might just take us slightly above that liquidity and then back down. But on the bigger picture, if we just to clean this, what we have, previous all-time high, and what we have here is, you can say that's pretty much a left shoulder, and that's pretty much a head, and then we might even come a bit lower and consolidate for a while, maybe even break above, and then continue on. So it's a significant structure reversal. Look at this. The RSI is still low, really. What we had was this. This is a 3-day, yep, 3-day chart, and we're already broken above it. We just about the 50%, so I think we're going to continue on. And this inverted head and shoulders does look like a, well, if you look at it from that perspective, doesn't that look like a macro continuation pattern? From an economic perspective, if you look at the BRICS, they are accumulating a lot of gold for the new currency potentially to come out, whenever it is, the BRICS. And they're going to support that with commodities and gold and oil and all the rest. So gold has been bought up a lot. Paper gold is trying to stuff it up, but it's not going to work. And so we will see this formation pretty much being changed. Is this an ABC correction? Yeah, I think so. What we've done, if you look at it from an alley wave perspective, I think that's done. A, B, C, and now we're going to continue on the wave. So from an alley wave perspective, we had our micro one, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC correction. Now I think we're going to just continue with another 5-wave count. In the big picture of things, we can say this could be a measured move. Yep, one is there, so immediate target could be there, and the other, depending, we can look at that, another move, secondary target. How long it will take, God knows. But it does look like, say, if we were to put our Fibonacci onto it, let's just put our Fibonacci and get a rough figure. Let's just put our numbers in. Does it have confluence? Well, the 1.414 measured move is roughly there, and one's much more higher. Now, if we were to just remove that, yep, it's closer to 1.618. So the first target roughly would be here, about 2,300 and something. That's what I'm thinking. This is a continuation pattern. So if you look at it from that perspective, now let's look on the weekly. Let's see how it looks. Even the weekly looks bullish, and it's broken the moving average on the RSI, so it's broken above it. And when we see moving averages broken, look at this one. It just kept moving up. So from a formation perspective, elite wave, we're pretty much done. Like if that's our A, B, C, and that's our E. You can see that is our reaccumulation structure. And a broadening wedge, yep, and an uptrend. So this is going to be a continuation of an uptrend. Those are my thoughts. If we were to do another way, let's say a measured move from there to there. Let's just put that in. Okay, we might have a number of levels there. 0.618 might be the first. And then some. And if you look at this, cup and handle type of stuff. So there's a lot of bullish perspectives on this. And if this was our cup and handle, like when we look at that, the 0.618 acted as support there, reacted as resistance, and acted as support roughly. Then we come back down to it. Didn't really test that, retest it. And what else do we have? We have this macro trend line, and that didn't even get, so we might just look at that trend line and see if that plays a role. But I am bullish on gold for a number of reasons. Back when sometime back, I don't know when this was about, I did call it, and I got this exact level, to tell the truth, just by measuring these moves, and it's on the trading view. So gold is bullish, and it makes sense with the world's economic climate, where printing fiat is not a solution, and gold is coming back in a big way. Even the American bank, a federal bank, or major banks are accumulating gold as well, because they can see it coming. I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Please give me a like and share, and talk to you soon.